Good morning everyone. Today I hope you guys are fine. You can see I just still dressed up in my robe this morning, and that is it. I'm going to show you this morning how I prepare my sassy water for weight loss, my sassy water to detox, and revitalize myself. So this is what I drink every morning, and I would love to share it with you guys. Please tune in and keep watching. You're going to see how I prepare it, and I believe you're going to do one for yourself for your healthy living, okay? Keep watching. You're going to learn how to do it. Just bring it up the money. I'm gonna sip my coffee and okay, I'm gonna sip my coffee right now, and I'm gonna start preparing the sassy water. Okay, I want to show you guys how I prepare it and the ingredients that are within. Okay, yeah. And please, if you're watching right now and you've not subscribed to this channel, please do after the video. Okay, smash that red button. That's the only way you can support this channel. And you can always come back with a bell to watch other videos from my channel. Keep tuning, you're gonna love it. Let's go. It's sassy. It's sassy word. It's sassy. It's sassy. Just like I'm looking so sassy. Cheers for sassy women out there. These are overall ingredients for my sassy water. I have some mint leaves, I have ginger, I have 1 lemon, and half cucumber. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to slice them. I'm going to wash and slice and grate the ginger to make this water. This is my mint leaves. I'm going to tell you guys the benefit of this mint leaf and why I use them for my weight loss sassy water preparation. Mint leaves, the benefit of mint leaves are good for your brain. Mint leaves can be juiced or even can be eaten raw as it tastes like this. It's very good for your weight loss process, and it's very good for your system. It's very good for your overall healthy living. Mint is excellent to manage your blood sugar levels and treat skin conditions. Okay, in summer one can particularly add this mint leaves in your diet. Okay, just like you add basil. You can also use mint and cook. It's very good for weight loss dieting. Okay, mint is very cooling and aids in digestion. Even if you're having a digestion problem, you can also chew it, juice it, drink it. Is very good for you. Mint also is very good for anyone who is going through breathing disorder. You can just chew it, drink it, or put it in water. Just make it on daily basis. Treatment is going to help you a lot. But let me tell you another thing. There is other effect of mint. Don't exaggerate with mint leaf, because it can cause heartburn, it can cause dry mouth, it can cause nausea, and even vomiting in some people. So make sure you don't exaggerate it when you're chewing it raw. Okay, to make sure you don't fall into these categories of effect that I just mentioned above. Another powerful ingredient that I use for my sassy water is lemon. Everybody knows that lemon is a source of vitamin C. Lemon also promotes hydration. It supports your weight loss. It improves your skin quality. It aids digestion, and it freshens breath. just like mint. Okay, it helps prevent even kidney stones. So you can't go wrong with a lemon in your weight loss water or Sassy water. Even you can see that I always use it in preparation of my veggies and salad. I always sprinkle it because it's very good for weight loss. Ginger is very important ingredient for preparing the Sassy water. Ginger, as everyone knows it, contains compound with potent medical properties. Ginger is very nutritious and has few calories as well. It helps to combat sickness and diseases, even cold, alright? Like in winter, you can't miss your Sassy water or any drink you're taking without ginger and even lemon, alright? The active compound in ginger can even reduce the blood pressure naturally. This is what the Indians and Chinese discovered. That is very good for them. That's why they live so long. So make sure you put your ginger in your cooking, your ginger in your drinks, and your ginger powder. Use it for your grills and all that. Is very, very good and very, very medicinal. This is my cucumber, another ingredient for your weight loss or for my Sassy water preparation. I just have, this is a half cucumber. You can just have a medium-sized cucumber as you want, okay? It's just the same thing. It contains acidox, okay, that promotes the hydration. It's very good for your weight loss. It may also lower blood pressure and sugar and promotes healthy living. So make sure you always add cucumber in your salad. Use it for your Sassy water. And you can even prepare cucumber smoothie or juice if you want. Add some lemon or basil, your green juice. A lot of things you can prepare with cucumber. It's very good for the skin, for soothing, even for your black eye. If you're having a sore eye or even a swollen eyes, you can always use cucumber for your eyes. It's very good for the skin, skincare. Cucumber gel is very good for your skincare and to soothe burnt skin. Cucumber can also help. There's so many things you can do with cucumber, and it's very, very rich and very, very powerful ingredient for weight loss and for healthy living. So this is it. I just added in the lemon, the mint leaf, the grated ginger, and I sliced some into it too. So you can see the reaction of the water inside right now. So I'm going to keep it to settle, let me say for 10 minutes before we start using it. Put it in the fridge, alright? Put it in the fridge to cool, or put some ice inside. Anyhow you want to do it, it's okay. Just let it be and let it settle. Just keep the water in the fridge. If you like, keep it in a cool place. If you like, just dump in some ice blocks inside it. It's very good for your drinks, okay? So I'm going to keep mine out for 30 minutes to settle and juice out enough for my water. Okay, my Sassy water is now ready, and what I do now for me to drink it, I always use a sieve because of the ingredients. me right now and not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Just smash that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to this channel. And leave the bells on. Leave the bells on. That is the most important thing, because with the bell you're gonna know when I post a new content, and you dive into it to watch and learn a lot of things about your healthy lives. Keep watching, keep tuning in, and keep joining us. You will never ever regret this channel. Thank you, and see you all. Goodbye.